Hola, estudiantes! Today we're going to be looking at this verb doler. So the verb doler is what we use to say that something is hurting. So this is conjugated really similarly to the verb gustar. So if you understand gustar, this isn't very much different. First off, we'll talk about if you want to include your pronoun here. This goes back to just regular verbs. If you have the verb hablar and you say I speak, you can say yo hablo or you can leave out that pronoun. These are the same thing. They are optional. You can leave them out, but sometimes you'll want them for emphasis or for clarification. So if you would say yo, you're not going to say yo for me, something hurting me. We will say me. You won't say to or to. Instead, we will say ti. Now, the rest of the subjects are almost the same. You just put that word in front of them. So we'll start with that. And again, that is optional. And then you go with your object pronoun. Now, the object pronoun is going to tell us who is hurting. So if my head hurts, I'm going to go with me. If your head hurts, it'll be te. If usted, you, or he, or she, or I'm using their name, we will go with le. For nosotros, if our heads hurt, we'll go with nos. Vosotros, your heads hurt, os. And then if we're going with ustedes, ellos, ellas, or we're saying their names, then we will go with les. So again, that tells you who is hurting. So if we look at this first example here, my head hurts. That's like the yo conjugation. If I want to say me, I can, or I can leave it out. But we definitely want to go with me because it's my head that's hurting. Then we're going to choose either duele or duelen. So doler is actually an O-to-U-E stem change verb. But duele is going to tell us that what hurts is singular. And duelen tells us that what hurts is plural. So here it's my head that hurts. So my head is singular, so I will go with the singular duele. And then a funny thing, I'm going to say el, la, los, or las, and then the body part. So it's my head that hurts, so that is la cabeza. So what I've literally got here is really a backward sentence. The head is hurting me. And then this next one, his feet hurt. So it's his feet. So I can say él if I want to. But then I absolutely want to say le. And then it's his feet, and that's a plural thing. So between duele and duelen, feet will be duelen. And then feet is los pies. All right, this next one, our arms hurt. So our. Again, I can say a nosotros if I want to. I'm going to leave that out here and just go with nos. And then it's our arms. Arms is plural. So I will go with duelen. And then the word for the arms, los brazos. And again, translation-wise, if we're doing this literally, it will be a backwards translation. The arms are hurting us. All right, this next one, does your stomach hurt? So this is a question, so we always have to think a little extra with these. Does your stomach hurt? So we're going to start, just like we always do, start with our object pronoun here. and we're talking about you, so it will be te, and then it's your stomach. And so step 2 here is duele or duelen. Your stomach is singular, so it will be duele. And then we'll say the stomach, el estómago. Make sure and get your question marks around it. Say it like a question. ¿Te duele el estómago? And now it's a question. So then their eyes hurt. So their, that's going to be ellos or ellas. And again, I can include that a ellos or a ellas if I want to. Les, and then eyes is plural. So I will go with duelen. And then the word for the eyes, los ojos. So that's it. That is doler. Again, you can start with the optional subjects here. Definitely have your object pronouns first. Doler, duele, or duelen second. El, a, los, or las will be third. And the body part will be fourth.